now, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum.
Dave, how long is this nice spring-like weather going to stick around for?
Well, the warmth, this is going to be it for the short term here. Now, it's not going to get bitter cold like we saw last week, but we will see a little more cooler weather out there, especially in the mornings as a front comes in. Live look in Tuscaloosa right now. Look at the haze out there from some wildfire smoke working its way through parts there of Tuscaloosa County where it's 75 degrees, a little bit of a wind out of the south, pushing the smoke from the south to the north and low humidity with that dew point of 42 degrees now. Live look over in Anniston here. You can see again some of the haze and smoke out there from some nearby wildfires. And this is the bigger picture of all the red spots you see. That's where fires have been popping up over the last 24 hours. Yes, there is a lot of them, and that gray color here is the smoke. Obviously, we were watching the one in Calhoun County yesterday, but we've seen quite a few of them developing from time to time here, and so we need to watch out. The weather is not really very favorable to burn anything, so do not recommend doing any kind of burning. You can see here the humidity is in the 20s and 30% now. It goes up in the morning and will be fairly high tomorrow with the increased clouds ahead of our front, but watch what happens as the front moves through. A lot drier air starts building in Thursday afternoon, so this is not going to be good for any fires that are going on out there, because not only is the humidity going to drop tomorrow afternoon, the winds will start picking up as well too. Right now, winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour with some higher gusts, and as we go throughout the day tomorrow, we could see them also gusting 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. So again, a pretty good high fire danger threat across the area as we get throughout Thursday, even into Friday here, as the weather will be pretty nice, but we'll have to watch for that fire danger threat. Over the weekend, Saturday warm, but it stays dry. Sunday turning chilly with that low humidity again, so hopefully we can get these fires out before that even drier air comes in. Finally, some rain and storms next week, but some of those could become on the stronger side. Right now, really nice and warm out there. Get outside and enjoy this fantastic weather. We're talking mid-70s to upper 70s to 80 degrees down in Demopolis, 76 here. Jasper, Fayette, you're both at 75 there in Gadsden, over towards center there in Cherokee County, and heading down toward Talladega as well. But you can see here on visible satellite, it's clear, but notice some of that smoke we were watching earlier coming out of a fire here in northern part of Hale County, right through there. You can see that smoke kind of trailing its way up toward Tuscaloosa and the Jasper area. That's because those southerly winds with high pressure in the northern Gulf. But here comes our cold front. Notice little to no rain with it, just some cloud cover. Not going to have a lot of moisture return before that front gets here. Unfortunately, our chance for rain tomorrow, 10% chance at best across the area. So that means sprinkles if you're lucky. And you'll see on Futurecast, though, temperatures in the 50s this evening. The front comes through tomorrow morning. Again, some clouds, 40s and 50s. Clouds start thinning out with maybe a couple of showers Thursday afternoon. But by 3 o'clock, we're in the mid-60s. Pretty pleasant weather here. Clear sky, chilly weather Friday mornings. We're starting off in the 30s before warming up Friday and Saturday back to 70. Another front on Sunday. Temperatures around 57 degrees. So it does turn chilly with that front for your Sunday. Now, the weekend's dry, but next week a little rain Monday and Tuesday, but all eyes need to be on Wednesday. Tuesday will start off with severe threat off to our west here. Now, depending on how this develops, will evolve to what we see late Tuesday and Wednesday here. Right now, we're not looking at a threat for severe weather, but possible as we take a look here at the model showing Tuesday, these storms kind of developing back to the west in Mississippi. This is one model's version. Moving on in during the day Wednesday with likely a squall line of thunderstorms. So we'll have to keep an eye on the forecast and see how this evolves over the next couple of days. So get ready for lovely weather for the weekend. And then cooler for Sunday. How about near freezing those mornings, and then warming up next week with that chance for stronger storms on Wednesday.